So, just wanted to do a quick recap on the entire install. It took me like maybe a day or two or three or four. I actually really didn't keep track on how long it took me to do the installation because, I have a family and family things come first and everything, kind of gets put on the back burner when it comes to working on Chappie full time. So I only work on Chappie when I have some spare time, which is like this much. So if I were to calculate how much time it would actually take to do the entire install, it'd probably be like right around an hour and a half. The system I have is a mechanical setup. There isn't anything fancy. There's no computers talking to sensors. There's just a coolant probe or oil fitting that gets pressure directly from the motor. So it's all mechanical, so everything's in real time. There's no delay. Big fan of that stuff because there's a very small margin for error when it comes to inaccurate gauge readings. You'll know if the gauge is not working, it's because it's peeing coolant or it's peeing oil inside the cab. So I went with these external gauges because I wanted to make sure I had every bit of information in the event we were to break down anywhere. Taking this vehicle hopefully all across the country. My main goal is to take it up to Alaska. I want to have every piece of diagnostic equipment, tech, whatever you want to call it, at my fingertips. The tach wasn't really necessary because it's an automatic transmission, so it's going to shift on its own. But I am not proficient at carburetors. I mean, they're dinosaur technology, but they work really, really well if you know what you're doing. And having a tach definitely helps you out with doing any kind of tuning. I have one bum ear, doesn't really work that well, so tuning by ear really isn't great for me. Hopefully I'll get to that point, but yeah, having the tach is going to help me dial in my fast idle. This was a fun, easy install. Didn't cost me a lot. Cost me right around $60 for everything. And I got it all on Amazon, shipped in 2 days. So, this is my first time doing this. If you like what you see, have any comments, please let me know. Hit that subscribe button, share it. This is an adventure right now, and I'm getting kind of into the rhythm of documenting everything. I'm having fun doing it, and hopefully you guys like watching it, and we will keep this journey on the interweb. So yeah, thank you. We'll see you.